Updating your credit card information on Speechify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Speechify website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Locate payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on it to view your current credit card details. Step 4. Update credit card details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment method. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Speechify. Keeping your payment details current ensures uninterrupted access to your services.